Hey guys, Ollie Brown, certified personal trainer and wellness coach back here at Brown University, coming at you with another video this week. This week we're going to be talking about different exercise techniques. If you're not familiar with exercise techniques, this will be something that you can use to supplement your resistance training programs. The first one we're going to be talking about today is supersets. Supersets are a technique where you go from one exercise right into another. Say you're working in 4 sets of 12 rep range, you would do a superset to give yourself an added benefit to that exercise. So for example, if you were doing a bench press, we know that the bench press works the pecs, the shoulders, and the triceps. So to get an added benefit and a better pump throughout the exercise, you could go directly from a bench press right into a tricep push down. Maintaining your form, using good range of motion, effectively contracting the muscles while we're doing this, and this will add an extra benefit to your exercise program. The next exercise technique we're going to talk about is drop sets. During a drop set exercise program or exercise routine, you'll be doing the same exercise. Once again, we'll stick with our example of a bench press, where you go for a set number of reps, let's say 12. So you'd start out with 12 at your set weight, then it would immediately, after your 12 reps, drop the weight, reducing the tension, and go for 10 reps. This allows you to go to failure and then keep on going. And then immediately after that, you would go to 8 reps and be able to do even more. A 12, 10, 8 rep scheme, you would pick your heaviest weight right here on the 12. You would do 12 reps, then immediately, whether you're on a barbell or a machine, if you're on a machine, you would just move the pin up to a lesser weight. If you're on the barbell, you would need someone to help you out so you can quickly and efficiently move the plates off. You would drop about 5 to 10 pounds, go right into your 10 rep range. Again, after you're completing the 10 reps, then you would go to your 8 reps, dropping the weight and continuing the motion. All the while, maintain good form, control your breathing, and get as juicy as a pump as possible. Next one we're going to be talking about, static holds. Static holds are where we go into a contracted position and we hold the motion. If you're familiar with static wall sits, wall sits are a perfect example of a static hold, except for we don't have the motion that we would on, say, a squat. So what we would do on a static hold is we would pick an exercise like a squat. And we would do our exercise, and then at some point in that rep range, say we're working in a 12 rep range, 4 sets of 12, at either halfway through, the beginning, or the end, we would introduce our static hold in there. So if we're doing, say we start at the beginning, you would hold your exercise. Once again, we're using the squat as an example. You would hold your static hold at the beginning for 10 seconds. 10, 15, 20, whatever your fitness level is, you would begin with that amount static holding and then go into your rep range, which in this example is 12. The next one we're going to talk about, slow negatives. This means that we're exploding through our concentric portion, our contracting portion of the movement, and then when we are slowly lowering during that eccentric phase of the motion back to our starting position. On slow negatives, it's not slightly slower than our normal tempo, it is significantly slower so that those eccentric muscle fibers have to really kick in and really control the motion. We're stronger on our eccentric portion, so you can really overload. Pull-ups are a good example of this. Whenever you go into a pull-up, you can jump into the concentric portion, the contracted portion of a pull-up, use your eccentric strength to lower down slowly to create more muscle fiber tears, muscle fiber damage, and create better growth overall. Well guys, once again, I'm Ollie Brown. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, make sure to leave a comment below and let us know if this was useful. And we'll be back next week with some more info. See ya.